Ever wanted to make your PowerPoint slides pop with photos inside shapes? Let me show you how to do it in under 2 minutes. First, open your PowerPoint and head to the slide where you want some extra flair. Click on Insert up at the top, then select Shapes. Pick any shape you like. Let's go with a circle for this example. Click and drag to draw the shape on your slide. Now, here comes the fun part. Right-click your shape and select Format Shape. A panel pops up on the right. Click on Fill, then choose Picture or Texture Fill. Next, hit Insert and upload the photo you want to use. Your shape is now filled with your image. Want to adjust the picture? Use the offset sliders or transparency to get the perfect look. You can even try other shapes. Stars, arrows, hearts, you name it. It's all the same process. You can also add cool effects like shadows or borders from the Format Shape options. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've taken your slides from basic to eye-catching. Try it out. Play around with different shapes and photos and make your presentation stand out. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tricks. Thanks for watching.